Do you know why February is National Cherry Month? Well, it's a tale that dates back to the early days of America, when cherries were first introduced to the New World. Since then, cherries have become a staple in American culture and tradition, symbolizing the sweetness and richness of life. Here are a few reasons why February is National Cherry Month. Over time, February was chosen to celebrate these delightful red fruits as a way to bring some cheer during the winter months. One reason is February is birthday month of George Washington, the famous chopper of the cherry tree, who, when asked by his father who chopped down the cherry tree, young George Washington replied, "I cannot tell a lie. I chopped down the cherry tree." Also, in Washington, D.C., cherry blossoms mark the National Cherry Blossom Festival, started in 1912 after Japan gifted 3,000 trees to the U.S., symbolizing friendship. Their heart shape and ties to President's Day and the cherry tree legend link them to February's themes of love and history. Now that you know how this tradition started, let's explore the cherry capital of the world. Welcome to Traverse City, Michigan, the cherry capital of the world. This region's commitment to cherry farming is unparalleled, producing a whopping 70% of all tart cherries in the United States. The economy of Traverse City and the culture of the region are deeply rooted in this vibrant red fruit. From the cherry festival that paints the town red to the local businesses that thrive on cherry-based products, Traverse City truly embodies its title as the cherry capital. It's not just about growing cherries in Traverse City, it's also about innovating with them. Meet Traverse Bay Farms, a place where locally grown cherries are transformed into amazing gourmet food products for every meal of the day. Traverse Bay Farms has a reputation that precedes it, with a whopping 38 national food awards to its name. Here, Traverse Bay Farms crafts cherries and other fruits in tasty masterpieces. They offer a variety of cherry delights, from a unique cherry salsa that dances on the tongue, to a smoky cherry barbecue sauce that adds a tangy twist to any dish. And let's not forget the cherry poppy seed dressing, a perfect blend of sweet and tart. These products aren't just food, they're a celebration of National Cherry Month. So next time you enjoy a cherry, remember, you're partaking in a tradition that spans centuries and a fruit that has shaped a city. So, what have we learned today? February is National Cherry Month, honoring our first president and the Canary Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C., and our cherry capital, Traverse City, Michigan. Traverse Bay Farms, acclaimed for their cherry delights, helps us celebrate with their unique offerings. Remember, cherries are not just a fruit, they're a part of American history and culture. Happy National Cherry Month!